วะคาโตภะคะวะตาธัมโม Learn teachings so completely explained by him. Dhammang Namassami. I Pasuddha Dhamma. Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. Dhamma said one disciple who had his death. Saṅghang Namami. I Pasuddha Saṅgha. อันธรรมยังพุทธัสสะภะคะวะโตโอปานกันนมัสการังกโรวะเส Now let us pray the preliminary homage to the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. All mention of blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. All mention of blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. All mention of blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. อันตมยังวุตตาภิรุติกโรมาเส Now let us shine in face of the Buddha. Yoso tathagato arahang samma sambuddho. Then the Tathagata is the pure one, the perfectly enlightened one, which jnana sampando. He is impeccable in conduct and understanding. Suprato, the accomplished one. Lokavidu, the knower of the world. Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati. He can perfectly those who wish to be trained. Sattva Deva Manusanam. He is teacher of gods and humans. Buddha Bhagava. He is awake and holy. Yo imam lokam sadevakam samarakam sabrahmakam. In this world we discuss demons and cancer lyrics. Satsamana brahmanim pracham sadeva manusam sayam apinya sachikatawa kove basic. In sickness and sentient celestial and human beings, he has by deep inside revealed the truth. Yo dhammam te se siyati kalayanam marche kalayanam pariyosana kalayanam. He has pointed out the Dhamma, beautiful in the beginning, beautiful in the middle, beautiful in the end. Sarvam sarvayam janam devala paripunam parisuddham brahmacharya pakasesi. He has explained the separation of life of complete purity in its senses and conventions. Dhammaham bhagavantam abhipujayami kavaham bhagavantam sirasa namami. I chant my praise to the Blessed One. I bow my head to the Blessed One. And ขันธมยังสังฆาภิตุติกโรมาเส
Now let us chant in praise of the Sangha.
โยโสสุปฏิปันโน
ภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ
There are the blessed ones, disciples who have practiced well.
Ojupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho
Who have practiced directly.
Yayapatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho
Who have practiced insightfully.
Sammitipatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho
Those who practice with integrity.
Yatithaṃ cattari purisa yukkani atta purisa bukkala.
Thus is the purpose
Because of noble beings, Esa bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho.
These are the blessed ones, disciples.
Ahunayo,
Sasana
worthy of this. Ahunayo,
Worthy of
hospitality. Patinayo,
worthy of offerings.
Angelicaradio,
Worthy of respect.
Anuttaram punyakitam lokasa.
May give occasion
For him
temporary goodness to arise in the world.
Tamaham Saṅgham Abhipuchayami Tamaham Saṅgham Sirasa Namami.
I send my praise to this Sangha.
I bow my head to this Sangha.
ปัญญามยังรัตนตยปนามราดาโยเจวาสัมเลขะปริกิตระปาตัญจาปนามาเส
Now let us chant every Hari Om. Let us allow salutation to the triple gem and a process of encouragement.
พุทโธอรหะโตก
ก
รุ
รุ
ณา
ณามหันตโว
นาบุ
would
ญา
not
สัลลุ
absolutely
เกีย
feel
วิ
with
โต
ocean like
รัง
compassion.
ยายันนาสุตปารยานาโรจาโน
Possessing the precise of wisdom, Lokasapa Upakilesa Tatato, destroy all bodies of corruption, Vantani Bhutam Mahamadorinatam, Devatale Indra Bhuta Harivya, Hammo Mahiko Viyata Sasatuno, the teaching of the Lord like a lamb. Yo Matapata Matapeta Pinako, illuminating the path and the truth of the bless. Lo Puttaro Yo Tatatata Tirano, that which is Yang Bhagavad We have one forbid faith from all homelessness. Tasami Bhagavati Brahmachariyam Dharma. And like the Blessed One, we practice the holy life. Bhikkhunan Sikasa Jiva Sarvabanda. Bhikkhu create the Bhikkhu system of training. Kano Brahmachariyam Iman Sakeva Rasa Dukha Kandasa Antakiriyaya Samvatatu. May this holy life be such to the end of the fullness of suffering.
ปันดามยังดวัตติงสักการปาตังปนามะเส
ยังผู้มีกายโย
พุทธังปาทัตตลา
พระโตเยสนันทกาปัจจปาริยันโตปุโรนาระปะตารัสสะสุจิโย
This is my body from the soul of the finger and from the crown of the head. It has a cycle filled with
unattractive things.
Abhimasamim kaye. In this body there are Kesa hair of the head, Loma hair of the body, Nata nails, Danta teeth, Rajo skin, Mansam flesh, Naharu sinews,
Ati bones,
Ati midjan, Marrow, Organ, kidneys, Atayan, heart,
Yakalang,
liver, Pilomatan, membranes, Pihatan, spleen, Papasan, lungs, Antamus, Antapunam, entrails, Uttariyam, undigested food, Karisam, excrement, Pittam, bile, Semhan, flame, Vapopas, Lohitam, blood, Seker, sweat, Medo, fat, Muscle, tears, Wasa, grace, Velocito, Sinkanika, mucus, Plastica, oil of the joints, Uttam, urine,
Matati, Vatarunganti,
brain, Hemayam,
Mekayu, Uttam, Patakala,
Atoke, Salataka, Pachapariyanto, Purona, Rasa, Suchido. Then translates my body from the soles of the feet up and from the crown of the head. With a sense of filled with unattractive things. ตันดามยังตังคณิกาปัจเจเวกนะปาตังปนามะเส
Ani Sankayo, Niso, Jivaram, Vati, Sevami, Yavati, Vasita, Sabati, Kataya, Purna, Sabati, Kataya, Ram, Samaka, Savatara, Pasimin, Sabasam, Pasam, Vati, Kataya, Yavati, Vati, Iko, Vina, Pati, Charanakam, ฏิสังขายโยนิโสเสนาสนังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะสิกขสัพพติคัตตายะปุณณสัมปติคัตตายะดังสมัคคสวะกัตตปัสสิริงสัพพสัมปัสสานังปฏิคัตตายะยาวะเทวะอุตุปาริสยาวิโนทรังปฏิสัลลานารามัตถา Wise reflecting, looking, all little word of Paul, word of big, word of the touch of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only to remove the danger from weather and for living in seclusion. ปฏิสังขายโยนิโสภิลานะปัจจยเปสัจจปริฆารังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะอุปัฏฐานังเวยาปริกานังเวทนานังปฏิกัตตายะยาปัจจปรมัตตายาติ Wisely reflecting, I use support for the sick and medicinal requisites, only the work of painful feelings that have arisen for the maximum freedom from disease.
Andamayam Sapa Paditan Katayo Panamase.
Now let us recite the verses on the sharing of memories.
Onyasitani
Tatasayananyani Tatani May whatever living beings without measure, without end, Etam Japakino Unto Satananta Pramananta, Parting out wonder really from the good deeds I have done. Ye piya kuravata dhamayam mata vitatayo. Love and full of goodness, my mother and father dear. Etame tapaya titawa limachata verido. Greeting sing by me and unsing, love neutral and averse. Sakati kanti loka samingpe umajatu yonika. Being established in the world from the three planes and four drops of earth. Ante kajatu wokara samsaranta pawa pawe. With fire to grace all
being be released from all suffering.
สัพเพสัตตาลักขสัมปัตติโตมามิคัจฉันตุ and may they not be parted from the good fortune they have attained. สัพเพสัตตาธัมมัสสะกะธัมมะกายาราธัมมะโยนิธัมมะพันธุธัมมะปฏิสารณา
All beings are the owners of their actions, heir to their actions, born of their actions, created through their actions, and live dependent on their actions. Yang dhammam darisanti kalaya dhamma bhavakang varasakaya bhavisanti. All actions with intention, be they skillful or harmful, are such that they will be their heirs. Sappe satta satta mutu. May all beings live happily. Avera sukha chivino. Always free from animosity.
Tatang punya palang
Mayan. May all share in the blessings. Sappe sattvi bhavantu te. Drinking from the good I have done. All good sattvan sukhan phalang. May there be every good blessing.
Rakhantu sappha devata.
May all the devas protect you.
Sappha putthanupavena.
Through the power of all the Buddhas.
Sotiyontu nirantaram.
May you forever be well.
Ontu sappam sumangalam. May there be every good blessing.
Rakhantu sappha devata. May all the devas protect you. Sappha namanupavena. Through the power of all the Dhamma.
Sotiyontu
Nirantaram. May you forever be well.
Ontu sappam sumangalam.
May there be every good blessing.
Rakhantu sappha devata.
May all the devas protect you.
Sappha
Sankhanupavena. Through the power of all the Sankha.
Sotiyontu
Nirantaram. May you forever be well. That's the end of morning chanting. Araham Samma Sambuddho.
Bhagava Buddhang Bhagavantang Abhivademi.
Savakato.
Bhagavata Dhammo Dhammang Namassami.
Supatipanno.
Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho Saṅghang Namami.
Thank you.